The band single arm rear delt fly is an exercise for training the back of your deltoids or shoulder muscles. For this exercise, you will need a resistance band with handles that you can secure at the level of your abdomen, either in a door anchor or around a sturdy surface like a squat rack. First, secure your resistance band at the level of your abdomen. Turn to the side and take the handles in both hands. Step back until the resistance band has some starting tension. Keep one handle secured close to your body and extend your other arm in front of your opposite side shoulder with your elbow straight. To begin the exercise, engage the back of your shoulder of your extended arm and pull the handle away from the center line of your body. Keep your elbow still as you move and then return your arm back to the starting position. You should feel the work in the posterior deltoid or back of your shoulder as you pull the band out. One time out and back to the starting position is one repetition. Continue for the recommended number of repetitions in your training program, and make sure to perform the exercise to both sides.